What if your job vanished overnight? Not because of layoffs, but because of AI. From truck drivers to lawyers, no industry is safe. One of these jobs will shock you. This channel is their hope. You might not love this video, but if you watch till the end, like, comment, and subscribe, you could put food on a struggling family's table. Thanks. Now we start. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring which jobs AI could wipe out first. Whether you're a student or a professional, this affects you. Accountants and auditors, AI like Xero and QuickBooks can handle bookkeeping, audits, and tax preparation automatically. Thousands of accounting jobs could disappear. Doctors, radiology, and diagnostics, AI tools can analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans faster and often more accurately than humans. Routine diagnostics jobs are increasingly at risk. Truck drivers. For nearly a century, truck driving has been the backbone of America's supply chain. But AI-powered self-driving trucks are already replacing humans on the highways. Waymo, Too Simple, and Tesla Autopilot are testing fleets that never need rest, never get tired, and never demand a paycheck. Think about that. 3.5 million truck drivers could be replaced by machines and never take vacations. Cashiers walk into a store today, and chances are you'll see more machines than humans. Amazon Go already lets customers walk in, grab what they want, and leave. No cashier, no lines, no conversation. Walmart's Scan and Go app is training shoppers to check themselves out. And with AI-powered payment systems like Square POS, the human cashier is becoming obsolete. Retail is the largest employer in America, with over 8 million workers. But if AI wipes out these jobs? Bank tellers' banks once stood as monuments to stability, with smiling tellers ready to help. But now, AI is quietly erasing those roles. Chime is an AI-first online bank with no branches at all. Zelle handles instant money transfers that once required paperwork and staff. Capital One's AI assistant, Eno, is replacing clerks with instant answers. ATMs cut into teller jobs decades ago. Now AI is finishing the job permanently. Millions of Americans once relied on these stable careers, but how stable are they when your phone can replace the entire bank staff? Customer service, picture this. You call a company expecting a person, but instead, an AI answers. You argue, you beg, and yet the machine responds smoothly, almost perfectly. Zendesk AI, intercom bots, and Drift chatbots are already handling customer complaints, sales inquiries, and even emotional conversations. These AI agents never lose patience, never clock out, and never demand benefits. The American call center, once a bustling hub of voices, is becoming a ghost town. And here's the terrifying part. Soon you won't even be able to tell if you're talking to a human or not. Lawyers and paralegals, you might think law is safe. Complex, expensive, human. But AI is barging into the courtroom. Apps like Do Not Pay call themselves the world's first robot lawyer, helping people fight parking tickets and file claims. Case Text Co-Counsel drafts legal briefs in seconds. Harvey AI is already being used by global law firms to research and analyze cases. Paralegals used to comb through thousands of pages of documents. AI can now do that in minutes. If the foundations of justice, arguing, defending, analyzing, can be automated, do we even need junior lawyers anymore? Journalists and writers used to be untouchable. Creativity, imagination, unique human voice, surely AI couldn't touch that, right? Wrong. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Quillbot are already churning out articles, ad copy, and even news stories. Thousands of blogs are now AI-generated, indistinguishable from human work. Imagine applying for a writing job, only to be told the company has hired a machine that writes faster, cheaper, and in perfect grammar. Journalism, once called the fourth estate, is now at risk of becoming the first casualty of AI-generated truth. And if words lose their human touch, what happens to culture itself? Software developers, here's the real twist. The very people building AI may soon be replaced by it. GitHub Copilot, Tab9, and Replit Ghostwriter already write code, debug errors, and optimize software, faster than junior developers. Imagine going to work as a coder, only to watch your AI assistant slowly become your replacement. This isn't just a job loss, it's a betrayal. The creators are building the very machines that will end their careers. If software development, the golden ticket of the tech world, isn't safe, what is? The big question: AI isn't just changing industries, it's tearing through them. From truck drivers to coders, no job is safe. Will you adapt and use AI or be left behind? If this shook you, hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights.